Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to connect Matidor with QuickBooks Online and sync your project budgets automatically. To get started, navigate to the Integrations area under Settings. This section is accessible only to Workspace Managers. From there, select the QuickBooks Integration option. Click Connect. You will be redirected to the QuickBooks Login page. Fill out all the required connection details. If everything is configured correctly, the status next to the QuickBooks title will change from Not Connected to Connected. Once the connection is established, navigate to an existing project and open the Budget tab. When adding a new budget, you will now see a new option for importing QuickBooks budgets. A new drop-down called Quickbooks Online ID will appear. Clicking it will display all available customers and projects from QuickBooks. You can search through the available customers or projects and select one or multiple entries. After clicking Save, Matidor will automatically pull the labor and expenses linked to the selected customers or projects into the system. The imported budgets will now appear directly inside your project, making it easier to track and manage financial data alongside your project workflows. After setup, Matidor will automatically perform a nightly sync every day at 6 a.m. UTC to keep your QuickBooks records and project budgets up to date, with the option to click the Sync Now button for an instant update of the current budget. Enjoy seamless budget synchronization with Matidor and QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what is coming next.